Hey! Welcome, my fellow aviation students. Today's animation is about me, Isaac Newton. Hello. Today we are talking about Newton's third law. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means if a ball bounces on the ground will exert the opposite reaction to it hitting the ground, resulting in the ball bouncing up, as seen here. Another example of Newton's third law in action is this bird, how it pushes down with its wings, and the reaction is the bird flying / going up. Okay, so you want to know something about Isaac Newton? Sure, Isaac Newton was born December 26, 1642 in England. He spent most of his childhood with his grandmother. Isaac presented this third law of motion in the Principia Mathematica Philosophiae. I know that's quite a mouthful. He presented it in 1686. I feel like we need something other than just information, don't you? Well, let's throw in some fun facts to break it up. Fun fact number 1. Newton's mother wanted him to be a farmer. At age 15 or 16, he was ordered to quit school by his mother and return to Manor to become a farmer. Fun fact number 2. Newton was knighted. In 1705, Newton was knighted by Queen Anne. Fun fact number 3. The bubonic plague in 1665 interrupted his education. His university was closed for 2 years. In this time he found the falling apple. Fun fact number 4. In his later life, Newton enjoyed a political career. He was elected to Parliament as representative of Cambridge in 1689, and returned to Parliament from 1701 to 1702. Last but not least, fun fact number 5. Isaac Newton died at the age of 84 from severe stomach pain. When he crossed the 80-year mark of his life, he started experiencing digestion problems which forced him to be on a strict diet. On March 31, 1727, Newton passed away in his sleep. Okay, next is the formula. Just saying it will be said twice because it's a bit of a mouthful. If object A exerts a force, Fa, on a second object B, then B simultaneously exerts a force, Fb, on A, and the two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, Fa equals negative Fb. Again, if object A exerts a force on a second object B, then B simultaneously exerts a force on A, and the two forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, Fa equals negative Fb. Okay, nearly done now. So, how does Newton's third law apply to aviation? It's very simple. How do we produce thrust? By forcing the fluid in the back direction, right? And what are we getting from it? The thrust in the forward direction. And what is Newton's third law? For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. We are forcing the air backwards for the action and going forward for the reaction.